Republican Party searches for meaning in their political exile. Some Republicans are embracing the whole idea of exile. A new poll says Texas Republicans supported Governor Rick Perry's suggestion last week that Texas may need to leave the Union by a margin of 51 to 44%. Asked if they thought Texas would be better off as an independent nation or as part of the United States of America, Texas Republicans were frankly torn on the issue. 48% yes and 48% no. You know, we would hate to see it happen, but in the event of the big divorce, the Rachel Maddow Show hereby claims custody of Barbecue and Willie Nelson.